Kryptonite bike lights. The Kryptonite bike lights are an exceptional addition to any cyclist's gear collection. With their sleek black design, these lights not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of elegance to your bike. One of the key features of these lights is their durability. Made from high-quality materials, they are built to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Whether you're a casual rider or a hardcore cyclist, these lights are designed to last. Powered by batteries, the Kryptonite bike lights offer convenience and flexibility. With a simple on-off switch, you can easily control the lights and ensure they are only in use when needed. The battery-powered design also means that you don't have to worry about charging them or being dependent on a power source. Water resistance is another notable feature of these lights. With a water resistance level classified as water-resistant, they can withstand light rain or splashes without being damaged. This makes them ideal.